Welcome to Review Hub. Ten Best Bulldozers. We are going to check out top 10 best bulldozers in current time. I mean, this list is best my personal opinion, and I try to list them best on their price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about this bulldozers, you can check out the link down in the description and comment section below. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Top 10.
Honeyjoy Kids Ride-On Excavator, 12V battery-operated construction truck digger tractor with front loader shovel, horn, safety belt, pretend play bulldozer toy with sandbox for toddler boys girls, orange. This product is not for sale in California. Flexible front loader, equipped with a powerful front loader for a variety of operations. This manually controlled ride-on excavator can easily shovel large piles of sand or snow, convenient for outdoor use.
Top 9.
Cat Toys Official Cat Construction Tough Machines Toy Bulldozer with lights and sounds, yellow 10 vehicle lights and so.
Top 8.
Bruder 02424 Cat Bulldozer constructed out of fade-resistant, high-quality ABS plastics, with no glue or screws, made in Germany. Realistic details and functions encourage imaginative play. The blade is height adjustable and can be raised, lowered and locked in position. Loosening rate can be put down.
Top 7.
Fisca remote-controlled bulldozer RC 1/16 full functional construction vehicle, 2.4 GHz 9-channel dozer front loader toy with light and sound for kids age 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and up years old. 9ch full functional toy. Go forward, backward, turn right, left, raise and lower. Leveling blade, rear ripper, turn on off the light and sound. The ripper and dozer blade are manipulable in multiple degrees. Lots of function, provides lots of fun to children. 2.4 GHz high frequency, automatic pairing, long control distance, reach 100 feet, good anti-jamming capability. Suitable.
Top 6.
Kolegend remote control bulldozer toy truck, 1/18 scale RC metal RC front loader 4WD construction vehicles for boys, girls, kids with rechargeable battery. Simulated engineering RC bulldozer. The Kolegend remote control loader has been fully updated and improved, which is different from others. Our RC bulldozer looks more cool and realistic. 1/18 scale is more portable and perfect size for kids to operate and play. Ready for adventures.
Top 5.
1/14 scale 22-channel full functional remote control front loader construction tractor, full metal bulldozer toy, can dig up to 3.5 lbs. Ready for adventures. The heavy-duty front loader is ready to run out of the box. It has a detailed interior, working headlights, taillights, and controls for digging and dumping dirt and other payload. It includes two 2000 mAh Li-ion batteries, 2 USB chargers and 2 metal anti-slip tire chains. Improved speed and performance. The premium legendary bulldozer has a powerful motor, an upgraded servo for faster turns, and extra channels that independently move the metal.
Top 4.
Top Race remote control bulldozer 5-channel heavy-duty hobby-grade RC loader for boys and adults. RC construction vehicle with remote control backhoe. Great gift idea. OE. The TR143G is the newest remote control bulldozer, coming with a heavy front loader, metal shovel and a remote control backhoe fork. It looks just like the real construction vehicles and comes with all the features, such as lights and sounds.
Top 3.
Kolegend remote control bulldozer toy truck, 1/18 scale RC metal RC front loader 4WD construction vehicles for boys, girls, kids with rechargeable bat. Simulated engineering RC bulldozer. The Kolegend remote control loader has been fully updated and improved, which is different from others. Our RC bulldozer looks more cool and realistic. 1/18 scale is more portable and perfect size for kids to operate in PL.
Top 2.
LEGO Technic app-controlled Cat D11 Bulldozer 42,131, 3,854 pieces. Build a mighty construction vehicle packed with details with this huge LEGO Technic app-controlled Cat D11 Bulldozer 42,131 model building set for adults. Enjoy a rewarding build, then explore the model's many features and functions. See the new for October 2021 LEGO track element that gives the bulldozer its realistic movement. Use the Control Plus app to operate your
Top 1.
Kid Tracks Caterpillar D9 Bulldozer Toddler Ride-on Toy, 12-volt battery, 3 to 5 years, max rider weight of 55 pounds, single rider, D9 Bulldozer KT1136 Direct Connect charging system with 12V charger. Kid Tracks Power Tracks Rubber Traction Strip Tires Innovative Zero-turn radius steering with working dump bucket forward and reverse speeds. Comes with hard hat and bold.
If you like this video, please hit the link button below, share with your friends, and be sure to subscribe.